We met Victor 3 years ago and we started renting. He helped us out really quick with the rental, and then after 3 years, our lease was up, and then we decided to find another rental here in Miami. We went to several places, but when we went to this one place, it just was determined that we needed to maybe go a different route than renting, and Victor started telling us, why don't you do A and B and C, and we were a little afraid, but then we just said, you know what, let's take the chance.
Victor took us, around, and we saw a few places. They were older homes, and everything was worn down or too expensive, or again, since we're first-time buyers, no FHA, or the homeowners was too high. So he had mentioned, hey, there's this new construction in Homestead. Why don't we check that out? We were like, Homestead, no, that's too far down. So we kept on looking, and finally we were like, you know what, it's not making any sense. Let's go look at the Homestead places and see. You never know. And one thing led to another, and here we are, in Homestead.
It took us a day to give it a yes.
And again, if we would have listened to Victor from the beginning, we would have avoided 3 weeks of driving around looking at other places. But yeah, again, our first time, and we just try to do what we thought was right. But Victor helped us out a lot. He guided us, and he was very helpful. Whenever I had any questions, called him, answered, texted me, whatever questions I had, he answered right away, no problem.
And this all during the pandemic, that nobody wanted to come out, nobody wanted to do anything. He went ahead and took that extra step and mile and all of that, and just comfort us anytime, any place. He was there.
Thanks a lot for helping us out with the financing, also with BMS, putting us together.
It was easy paperwork. It wasn't just like extreme craziness. It was just simple paperwork to take in. We took it in, and then they sat down with us, and they spoke regular English, not this fancy language. It was like, you need to do this, you need to do that. Can you do this? Can you do that? And then from there, one door opened to another, and that's how we were able to go ahead and purchase a home today.
Victorious. We really like to say thank you, for all your help. And listen, you need anything from us, we're here.
We're very happy with Victor. We'll definitely recommend him. I don't know how this process for everybody else has been hard, and we were scared about that, but definitely for us, he walked us through it and made it just easy. We definitely recommend him to anybody we know.